actually film my dinner coming up. Hi, my name's Dan. This is Dan's Out and About. So I'm here with Will and Dakota. Say hello. Hi. And we're going over to Brighton Pier to ride all the rides and have some fun and play keys. Yeah. Play keys, win keys, king of keys. Yeah, so come along and let's go and find out what's going on. Brighton Pier is located on the south coast of England. It's about an hour out of London on the train, and it was a beautiful day today.
£1 to get onto the pier?
No.
Oh, yeah,
They changed it.
literally like last week.
Ah, motherfuckers, they should... Okay.
What fucking nightmare.
So it's now £1 to get onto the pier.
Rude.
Wow.
They better take cards.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, I got some.
What a nightmare.
So it's now £1 to get on the pier. Nice. Okay, so we just had to pay £1 each to get onto the pier, and it's been free for the whole of my life. So this for 40 years, this has been free. Like, well, however long it's been here. Mad. So yeah, so mind that if you're coming down. But we're here now, and it's time for fun. So yeah.
I get it, like literally everything on the pier just drains your money anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, £1 to get the pier, and I could actually just get like £10 in 2 coins.
But you
Smile!
So while we were whinging about paying £1 to get on the pier, we decided to stop for some fun shots. We walked through the arcade, having a quick look around. There's some cool new machines in here as well, like this Coronation Street pusher, awesome. So 10p Will found on the floor, he decided he was going to win the jackpot out of the machine.
Oh, that would have been sick. That would have been sick.
Look at this. Freaky as fuck. So coming out of the arcade into the sun, we had a wander up the pier towards the rides at the end of the pier, having a nice look back at the shoreline. Brighton looks beautiful on a summer's day. So coming into the rides, with a quick look around. There's some nice rides on here. There's a haunted house, the horror hotel. You've got the Crazy Mouse at the end of the pier, the turbo coaster, which has got a single loop. We'll come back to that. There's a few kiddies rides here as well. The Helter Skelter. There's waltzers at the end and a spinning tug, which is kind of like one of the disco rides, but you're in a tugboat. There's also trampolines and some other cool little rides as well. The costs have actually gone up here. It used to be £26 for a wristband, which is all the rides, and it is now £32 for an adult. So we decided to buy some credit instead and just ride a few rides. I put £15 on my card, so that should entitle me to 3 of the bigger rides. So the idea was to go on Turbo Coaster, the Crazy Mouse, and the Horror Hotel. Unfortunately, as I said, the Turbo Coaster didn't go round. The Crazy Mouse is the classic ride, so I thought it'd be quite cool to catch a point of view shot. Yeah, that squeak. What a squeak, that's the mouse squeaking. There's the tug going in the background, and here we go. The corners on this were really sharp, and they really bash you around. Again, this ride, they would only ride with 4 people in a car, so there's actually 4 of us in here. I'm squeezed in on the end. So weird. Trying to keep my hands out of the way. Because you're sunk down in the seat, it's quite difficult to catch the point of view. But yeah, enjoy the ride. Hold on.
I thought that was bigger. I thought the other one was taller. There we go. Oh, mate. Oh, I don't like that. Oh.
It's so risky.
It's rough, isn't it? It just doesn't feel right.
glad you're not filming my
That is not a good sound, is it? Wow. Wait. Oh. Wow.
So we've just been on the crazy mouse, the craziest mouse in Brighton. it's really good fun, but it's shaky and it made the squeak that made you feel like the whole thing was going to fall to pieces. There is. Actually, you do at one point you do feel like you're about to fall into the sea. But yeah, it's good fun. I think if you're here, it's worth it. About £5 though. It is expensive here now. The prices seem to have gone up quite a lot. I think it was £26 for a wristband last year, and it's now 32. So, and then you pay £1 to go to pier, so that's 33. And then you get a drink, etc. So it's going to cost you £40 to go out on the pier.
For 3 rides.
For 3,
oh, no, yeah.
I mean that's continuous rides, but there's not that many rides on here. It's cheaper to get a ticket to Thorpe Park. The other thing I thought is obviously there's no turbo coaster. So if you buy a wristband, you still can't go on it unless 12 other people want to go on it at the same time. I think that's a bit shady. I do think that's a bit shady, especially as they advertise it as open. But anyway, I'm going to stop harping on about the turbo coaster. Anyway, someone would die on this if the floor opened up and they fell through it into the sea. Absolutely love a good coach train, and this is nothing like a good coach train. Let's do it.
Ooh, spooky.
Oh shit!
So it's actually steep.
Yeah.
They could have done a drop in the dark.
It's so dark you can't even see the skull that was on the wall there.
One scary.
It's scary.
Scary.
Oh shit!
Big drop, man.
Big drop. That was weird, isn't it? That was really weird. I mean, a lot of this is just black.
Like a rubbish kind of performance.
It really is. It's an orc. I mean,
Well, it's just a little geese, man.
yeah.
That is scary.
I mean, that is pretty terrifying, right? Yeah. Oh, we're next.
That's pretty disappointing. That's right.
And then back outside.
Yeah.
What? Oh,
How's that going?
be afraid. I mean, oh. I'm not going to like that. There is a bit that's hanging down that looks like a dick. Whoa! Just think how many people's faces are cut. What is this?
Like some kind of science
Whoa!
This is the easy way to know.
That'd be sick.
Yeah, it's almost like nothing to
We survived.
So from that debacle, we moved on to the Dolphin Derby.
Classic game. It's a classic game. We're about to play Dolphin Derby. I'm going to smash all these people. There's actually loads of people playing, which is very cool. So let's do it.
This is the classic British seaside game. I absolutely love it. Usually they're called the Arabian Derby, but this one's the Dolphin Derby.
So I've just been told we can only go on turbo coaster if there's 12 people there. There's like no one in the queue. So there's a little bit going on that. But we're going to go on Air Force. Air Force. Let's do it. Let's do it. Man, it's such a shame. Like, such a shame we can't go on it.
Yeah.
So it's actually called Air Race, but Air Force is definitely a better name. So I think they should change it. Don't know why I kept calling it Air Force. Here's a POV. I fucking hated this ride. From the minute it started swinging, I didn't want to be on it. But here we go. That actually hurt really badly. This it was really uncomfortable and I nearly threw up. Like genuinely, for the first time in a long time, I was nearly sick on a ride and it's because of this. Never again. Never ever again. Hope you enjoyed the POV.
He doesn't look like he's having a good time. Bad? I like it.
So from there we had to wander back down, had a look along the pier, look over at Brighton. There's a couple of the side games, so you've got the Tin Can Alley, and you've got this classic water shooter game, the Zeke Shack.
Oh, I remember this, but I remember it from Chessington.
Yeah. Classic games. Love it. There's lots of snacks to be had along here as well. It's all very expensive though. You can see how beautiful the day is. So back into the arcade, we decided we was going to win some tickets, win some prizes, and also needed to play keys, which is again a ticket game. But it's a rhythm ticket game, so we thought we'd all have a go and see who did the best. Straight over to keys.
It's like green. I shouldn't have did that went black.
Let's go. As you can see, we're all very competitive here. It's a great fun game. It's very addictive. Very, very addictive. They've got quite a few new bits in the arcade as well. They've got these new pinball tables. Will actually won the jackpot. Although I threatened to earlier, he won it this time. I played Speed of Light, which was a lot harder work than I thought it was going to be. And I got this weird POV. We're actually cheating at this point, so don't judge us. There's lots of other really weird games with these freaky puppets, pushers, and lots of prizes on there. The classic British pusher. Really rigged crane machines, which didn't win anything out of. And after a count up, we had 470 tickets. So we had enough for a treat each.
Oh no, you've got to get it so they all like run in.
So the classic ticket exchange in the arcades on the pier. Love it.
Has prepared a little poem just for you. Life is mostly froth and bubble. Two things stand alone. Kindness in another's trouble. Courage in your own. Do not worry, little one. You are not in trouble. But have courage today in your adventures. And come back to visit Zoltar for more wisdom.
Ooh. There you go.
Zoltar sees riches coming your way. The richness of life itself and the richness of good friends.
Oh.
That's not the riches I wanted, man. I wanted that lottery, baby.
That's it. So that's our morning. Well, it's a couple of. How long was that? 2 hours?
That's pretty long. Yeah.
2.5 hours. 2.5 hours of fun. Went on some rides, played some games. Yeah, it's great. Thanks for meeting me.
That's alright.
So there's like, yeah, look how many people are here. £1 each. Wow. So if you're a Brighton resident, you can actually sign up for a resident card. That gets you free entry. So it just means it's a tourist trap. Straight up tourist trap. So there you go. So that was Brighton Pier. It was fun. I always have fun on Brighton Pier. It's such a beautiful day. It was great. So yeah, so thanks for coming along to Brighton Pier with us. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope the next time you're down in Brighton you perhaps get to go on the pier. But don't forget to take your £1 to get on. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.